We are in front of a new legal framework. This new regulation, it's really a challenge, and it brings a new clinical trial information system, a new platform that brings all functionalities for which you need to communicate with member states. This workshop, it's really the main objective. It's to support sponsors and all other attendees that would like to understand on how to properly populate and prepare a package to make the submission into CTIS Part 1 and Part 2. It's really important to understand that the quality of these packages, so the way we are preparing these packages, it's critical, and this can even avoid some considerations at the validation step. The way we prepare these packages, it's really critical if you want to avoid to have withdrawal or lapses in your trials. So I really recommend you to come to this workshop to learn a little bit, to understand what type of documents should be submitted, what are the main rules, how things should be submitted, and also to learn a little bit with our experience. You'll have the possibility to be in front of two trainers that are senior trainers with a lot of knowledge, not only in CTR, but also in clinical trials in general. You can share your situations, you can discuss, you can even present specific situations that we can discuss. It's really important because we can share experiences and look at specific cases. I think it's really a unique opportunity, especially if you are working with CTIS. So I'm really happy to see you and meet you in Amsterdam.